speaking test, we will have two writers. And for the first writers is Sir Junior, and for the second writers is Seraka. Please welcome Sir Junior and Seraka. Okay, for the writer, you can introduce yourself to the students.
Okay, students, my name is Junolita. You can say Sir Junior. Today I will be your writer for speaking test.
Okay, student, hello.
Hello,
Hello, sir. My name is Raka Putra. You can call me Saraka. So I will be your writer for English speaking test.
Okay, thank you. For the writer, you can go to your test room.
Thank you.
Okay, students, for the first speaking test is monologue test. I will call your name and you can go to the test room. Okay. Aldi and Gani. Aldi, you can go to the Seraka's room, and Gani, you can go to the Sir Junior's room.
Okay, what is your name?
Oh, Gani sir.
Gani ya? Okay, Gani. You have a monologue test today, and then you know about the rule. You can give this paper. You know the rule. You just see the picture, and then I will ask you some questions, and you will do monologue like 1 until 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready for the ready for the Matil. Okay, Gani. What do you think is happening on the picture?
I think they are doing vacation, sir.
Okay. So, Gani, where do you usually go on vacation?
Usually, I'll go with my family to the home of my grandpa, little brother.
Oh, your hometown.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, who do you spend your holiday with?
My family.
Just your family, yeah. Okay. And then, what activities do you like to do during holiday?
I don't know, just gathering together and talking about our story.
Ah.
Just sharing like that.
Okay. And then, what was your most memorable holiday?
I think it's the last Idol Fitri because I got so much money from my family.
Okay. Yeah, just said the question. So now you will do a monologue. Okay.
Okay.
So you will talk about your holiday that you enjoy and mention where you went and then who you went with. After that, you can say your reason why it is so memorable.
Okay, so last year at Idul Fitri, I with my family went to Jakarta to my grandfather little brother home, which is kinda you can say it's my hometown, and we spent the Idul Fitri there, and we do so many things together, man. We are doing some storytelling and some theater. We eat a lot and it was memorable because I get so much money from them for my Idul Fitri reward.
Okay, good job, Gani. Okay, the test has done. You can go up.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, hello. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Ali Prayana.
Okay. Now, as you know, today we will have a English speaking test. So for the first test is monologue. For the monologue test, I will give you this paper. So I will ask you a few questions. Okay, so this is your paper. Okay, we will begin from the first question. So, what do you think the person is doing in the picture?
I think the person is putting money on a savings jar.
Okay. The next, do you have a way to save money?
Yes, I save money by setting aside a small amount every day, sir.
Okay. Why is saving money important?
Saving money is important because it helps us prepare for future needs and avoid stress.
Hmm. Where can students keep their savings?
Students can keep their savings in a piggy bank, a jar, or a bank account.
Okay. For the last question, what do you usually save money for?
I usually save money for school needs, snacks, and buying things I want.
Okay, very good, Aldi. So the first English speaking test for you is done. Okay, now you can leave this room, and I will call you again for the second speaking test.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Here.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, what is your name?
My name Aldi, sir. Aldi Prayoga.
Okay, Aldi Private. You can take the paper. Okay, as you can see the rule, you just do a monologue,
Yes.
1 until 2 minutes. But before that, as you can see on the picture, yeah.
Yes.
Nah, I will ask you some question before you do a monologue. Okay, are you ready?
Insyaallah, ready, sir.
Okay. Okay, what you see in the picture?
I think people who vacation with their family, sir.
Okay.
With their family.
Okay. About the vacation, where do you usually go?
I usually go with my family to
Yeah.
to Bali, sir. Bali.
Oh, Bali. Yes. And then who do you spend your holidays? Just your family or?
No. My mother. I spend my holiday with my mother, my father, my sister, my grandfather, my grandmother.
Oh, your big family.
Big
yeah?
family, yes.
Okay. And then what activities do you like during your holiday?
I think we are go to the beach.
Oh,
Yes, in Bali.
okay. The last question is, what was your memorable holiday, Ali?
My most memorable holiday, I think, when I go to Palembang, sir.
Okay, why?
Because when I go to Palembang, I have a culture shock, sir. Because people in Palembang mostly not use bahasa in their language. Like they use Palembang language.
Oh, the mother tongue.
Yeah. So I confused with their language.
So you feel confused.
Yeah.
Okay, good answer. Okay, your answer is good. The question are done, and then you will do a monologue session. You will talk about your holiday vacation that you enjoyed, and then don't forget to mention where you went, and then who you went with, and then why was memorable. You can explain to me.
I think when I was go to Bali
Okay.
with my big family, like my father, my mother, my sister, my grandmother, and my grandfather.
Okay.
Why is it memorable? Because I never seen beach most beautiful in Bali. I see a very beautiful beach just in Bali.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Okay, just it.
Yes.
Okay. You will get the score. Wait the score till next week. Yeah. You can go out from my.
Okay, sir.
Good idea.
what's your name?
Gani, sir.
Okay, Gani. Okay, Gani, as you know, today we will have a English speaking test. So for the first test is about monologue. So you can look at the picture in this paper. So I will ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Okay. So you can look at the picture, right?
Okay, you can see it.
Okay. We begin from the first question, Gani. You ready?
Ready, sir?
Okay. What do you think the person is doing in the picture?
I think the person is counting the money, sir.
Okay. Do you have a way to save money?
Uh, I usually just gonna put it somewhere on my you know my safe
Oh,
safe
wallet.
wallet, yes.
Oh, wallet. Okay. Why is saving money important for you?
Because if we have saving money and we have some emergency or urgent condition, we can use that money to our use.
Okay, good. Where can students can keep their money?
Maybe the best choice is using the bank.
Okay. For the last question, what do you usually save money for?
Like I said before, I usually save money for urgent condition, or maybe if I want to buy something that are kind of expensive. So.
Okay, okay, so good. Thank you, Gani, for your answer. So your first English speaking test is done. You can wait for the second English test, so you can leave this room.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, students, you have already done the first test, and for the second speaking test is dialogue test. And I will call Aldi and Gani again for the second speaking test. You can go to the search juniors room first.
Salah. Oh, it's Gani and it is Aldi ya.
Yes.
Okay. Can use paper. The rules are almost same. You just see on the picture and then I will ask you some questions, guys. After that, we will do a dialogue. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. You can see on the picture. What do you see in the picture?
Batik, sir.
Okay.
Batik, yes, sir.
Okay. And then, have you ever worn batik?
Yes. I'm usually worried in specialty like batik day.
What about you?
When I was a student in this
Oh.
junior high school, senior high school,
Okay. And then, when do people usually wear batik?
They usually wear it if they want to go to other people marriage or some special or formal occasion.
I think people use batik for the formal situation.
Oh.
That
Okay, good. And then, why is batik is important for Indonesian culture?
Because batik is very unique and that batik is one of our cultural heritage, so it is very important for Indonesian.
because batik used too long in Indonesian people.
Okay. Oh yeah, guys. Do you know how batik is made?
It is a long manual process to make a batik. It's made from ink and you have to carve it manually, and it's take a long time to make even one piece of batik.
Yeah. Okay.
I think batik just make from ink. the art doing with manual process.
Okay. Okay guys, nice answer. And then the question are done ya. Okay, both of you will do dialogue. So you are
Yes,
do a dialogue, yes. So the topic you talk about batik, okay?
Okay.
Ali, you the people who don't know about batik,
Okay.
and then you want to ask your friend. Yes, it's Gani. So Gani, you just explain what is batik and then whatever about batik, okay?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, Gani, I really want to know why mostly people in Indonesia you wear batik.
Because it is our cultural cloth and we are so proud when we are wear batik.
Oh, Gani, I want to know when students in senior high school, junior high school use batik.
So it's depend on the school regulation, but usually student on high school or junior high school wear batik on Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, Gani, now I want to know about how batik made from.
So Ali, batik was made from a regular
Fabric.
fabric, and then the batik maker was drawing the fabric with colorful ink, so it's become a batik pattern.
Hmm, thank you so much for your information about batik, Gani. I think I wanna use batik after that.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Give applause, guys. Okay, give me the paper. Okay, about the dialogue test was done, and then the question was done too. So for the score, you will wait the score till next week, yeah, Gani and Aldi. Okay, you can go out from my room and go to Seraka's room, yeah, after this, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, I forget about your name. What is your name?
Gani, sir.
My name is Aldi.
Oh, Gani and
Aldi.
Aldi. Okay. So you already have the first speaking test, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for the second English test, you must have a dialogue about your favorite subject. So you can start now.
Hey Gani, what's your favorite subject at school?
Oh, for me it's English, Ali.
Wow, why do you like English, Gani?
Oh, because English is fun and it's make me speak better.
Wow, that's nice, Gani. I like my math because it's challenges for me.
Oh, sure, Ali. Because at the end, everyone has their own perception.
Okay, very good for Gani and Aldi. Okay, now your English speaking test already done. So you can wait for the result later. I will give you for the information. So you can leave my room now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you to all of you students. For the score, I will inform you next week. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Writers today, please give applause for the two writers